Oh, doers, has this ever happened to you? You're at a big conference, you're networking, you're making connections. You meet some potential new customers. Great. Unfortunately, all the contact info you got from them was their email addresses and a smudged name on a soggy cocktail napkin. It's okay. Their name was definitely Sarah? Tara? Maybe Lara? Oh boy. This is how you wind up in a meeting saying, "Great to see you, Sarah," and have Sarah tell you, "My name is Madison." Fortunately, Odoo has a way to get the crucial missing information you need for leads. Lead Enrichment is an in app purchase service built into the CRM app. Starting from just an email address, you can get essential information about a contact's business, like names, roles, addresses, and more. All that crucial information is sure to give you the edge to turn an opportunity into a satisfied customer. Okay, you've got a pocket full of credits and an opportunity pipeline full of nothing but email addresses. Let's start enriching some leads. Let's start inside of the CRM app and we're going to click on configuration and settings. Perfect. Now, I'm actually going to scroll all the way down until we hit this lead generation section and make sure that the lead enrichment box over here is checked and activated. So there's also two options here. We have enrich leads on demand only and enrich all leads automatically. Enriching automatically is enabled by default and it does exactly what it says, enriching leads automatically at regular intervals. You're going to notice that I've already set it to on demand only up above. This helps us save some credits and ensures that we have full control over what leads get enriched and when. If you were running a big business generating tons of leads through a web form, you might want this set to automatic. Stealthywood, however, is quite a small business, so we're always on demand. Anyways, if you made any changes, don't forget to click save in the top left corner. And there are also two links in this section. We happen to have manage service and buy credits over here, which takes you to the settings for lead generation. But don't worry about those right now. Then we also have view my services right there. We're actually going to click this because it's going to take us over to our IAP account settings page. Here I can see each IAP service that we've enabled. And wow, I have a lot of credits. Okay, so with everything configured, let's enrich some leads. We're going to select sales and then my pipeline over here. Perfect. As always, that's going to take you to your personal pipeline with the leads and opportunities over here that are assigned to yourself. If you ever need to view the whole pipeline, you can actually click on the little X over here, right there in the search bar. All right, so over here inside of our new stage that we have right there, there's a lead named Stealthy Log Cabin. For a potential client over here, I met at a trade show. I didn't get anything besides their very not real email address over there, but that's all we're going to need. Of course, to protect their privacy, I'm going to have to blur some details, Odooers. But you're going to still be able to follow along. All right, so looking at this lead, right now we can see this is a $1 million opportunity over there, literally. Our probability of closing it is pretty decent, actually, 60%. But with a million big ones on the line, that's not enough. We need every advantage we can get. So let's click our Enrich button up here at the top. All right, boom. Would you look at that? So we got that nice little pop-up that happened telling us it's been enriched, and we've also got a ton of information that's pretty much appeared over here in the chatter. And you'll notice our forms fields over here have updated as well. So let's also take a look. Okay, so info on the opportunities form has been added. And at the top of the chatter, we can see the fields that have been enriched. We have, in this case, would you look at that? We happen to have a company name and a few other types of things appearing and other information. It's actually a ton of additional information. With just that email address, we can see a summary of the business information about its sectors, number of employees, technologies used. Would you look at that? That's kind of useful. Oh, it's a big list too. Wow. All right, Odooers, that about wraps it up for lead enrichment. Having all this information is just one more tool in your sales, your sales kit for understanding potential customers and closing out deals. Always be closing. If you want to use lead enrichment, be sure to check out the videos in the description to learn more about credits. And remember to lead an enriching life. Until next time, Odooers, go grab a snack. We're eating Mexican chocolate cake.